Kwesi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messin Kunyana Mekono Quantum Coordinates Maudo and Sakan and Pensubu Ewa Ghana Kudim 18 Jow. Newman Comiensa or Madama Omneboma Chido Men so your day in common 18 Saba. One expert I've always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa, who can be for before you come be in Kumasa Manum. Catch the bush for now for your mouth as for and Mukumun Brafo Nase and now go for fear day a one expert Tunya Austin right Taucha na Adom Kama Adom bet with money that you can afford to lose Kaira and Yawadano and no any deeper bet until upper bet there a one expert one dance any diamano. Jeffas Mr. Adrotashi so infection said do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis wife fita na so deep one achua was that to make a Jeffas Heba Mr. Beat me boa proper Harano Bon Emma ultimately check wherever shops and pharmaceutical shops in Emu also pay Jeffas Mr. Nunia Druba qua a bit yamboa motivation painting were redeem. Yeah, cannot na sedimo gel and roll on. Your ultimate pain relieving gel for a pampas weapon national a druba qua 2 year DSA a pain if you redeem no a sedimo gel and roll on for any children our shaman me market and now ho I feel so temason sabitia kabubetia first sedimo gel and roll on for 020-821-9129. Now on a sedimo gel and roll from paying for injection como so to be a cotton and as auto there hono reshabwa amanyama etian kuyi ediamount. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step. Pensions here MFF EPL matches out with defense PM any week 29 sena matches in this ko any House of Folk checking Faisal Alhaji Abdulkarim Gusa team Echom 2-0 and Afensu Kumasi Asante Kotoko anytime City omo ebo 1-1 Bonia Koma hwesena case in this ko.
It's hard luck for us because today is better than what we did last game that we played. We created a lot of chances, but unfortunately, we couldn't convert them. And I think we have to work on that particular one as well. Like I said before the match, we work on certain areas. Unfortunately, we couldn't keep to that particular task. Because when you look at the way we concede, they equalize our goal. It was the same mistake that we have been doing. And this time, I don't know what to say again, but we'll keep on working with them because they were all standing and clearly you could see that our players were far behind the ball instead of attacking the ball. Unfortunately, the goalkeeper too didn't help instead of him to also coming out. Sometimes he have to save us. He has been doing it, but this one, we got it wrong. And I think it's something that we have to correct. It's hard luck for
Ghana Premier League sena matches this year ko na unsunsan so ana yedi eja no week 29 sena isi ko no ote Abdul Ghazali on the caretaker coach Edema Kumasi Asangro ko se odo ne nkomo enso 8 giant but ebeko Patrick Osajiman country man Songo ho na ahwe sena niema ACT ewo dwumedi a edin. Hello Songo. Okay intino ene yenkombio na fe David Oklu House of Folk omo coach ono so after say a record victory no then come David Oklu and so edija any.
This is marvelous. You see, we kept it until the late minute. That makes it so sweet. Okay.
Would you admit
I'm impressed?
Ken Faisal were dominant in the first half. They were just not lucky to have created enough and scored, and you got a trick right in the second half.
Yeah, Ken Faisal played well. They were very disciplined, and they gave us a very good game. But we did the necessary thing.
And see, as a full coach, David Marvin Dixon Oklu and Atene Council also didn't come 8% to a record of victory. I want to cancel the Pim so week 29. But here highlights and so, and it's an Nema is your course so games in.
Wants to drive his team forward, and it's a Waku, lovely ball to Yonde. It is Yonde with a cutback, and that's the goal for the Fabians. Hatzabok finally find the back of the net. It is the Fabians in the lead at the Accra Sports Stadium. Here is York, puts one through for Kosa. Here comes Kosa, he cuts off for Yonde, and the second, Linda Mtange makes it 2-0 for Hatzabok. In stoppage time, the Fabians have a 2-goal lead against Hakim Faisal. The man and not the ball. Jamuna! What a goal! That's an absolute beauty! Glorious finish from Rocky Jamuna. Goodness me! That was a thunderbolt. Free kick was quickly taken from Ejapon. Then he found Jamuna, unleashed it, and he beat the goalkeeper completely. Rocky Jamuna. Jack Basu. Collins Amwa Watson to Livingston Arthur.
And see Ghana Premier League sena matches this year ko na de hunso so eja other matches e pm Bechem United 2 Samata 0 and afi Dreams 5 and afi Legon City 1 Karela United 4 Bechem United 1 Accra Lions 1 and afi RT 2 and afi Nsrotama 1 and Mediama Sporting Club 0 we any matches be between PB between Nyame Adoma Kotokurias any Aduana Stars ne and omde akensi ne between Sampem so channels mam se Aduana Stars league leaders omne da league na Estropa omohwe nim sa fi obetia pija Frank and Dieja Kunkun yenko Patrick Osajman Countryman Songo fireman ho na yene na ntwen komo hwese na niam ACL ko ewo dwumedia no so eguso ekoso fisa abire ko de Nyame Adoma adwada ukoda anafe nso efieda obehu Patrick Osajman regularly say o feature ewa no padwumedia yede ebre usintenei yehwese na niam ACL ko so league no ba bia do no 29 matches aka less than best 5 matches na ya de league ne etian saba na wie wohwe officiating ene sena niam ACL ko so a ya na enye anika ewo sena league na ACL kunum Patrick Osajman Songo good morning Patrick Osajman Countryman Songo ewo line so na fe ehwe sena niam ACT ewo Ghana Premier League na week 29 hello Patrick hello Songo hello fireman
Wallace but what to make me to kasa
afi me to ka bibia e bokọ de
yes
okay na ye hwe 29
what to make
me to ka
well hello Wallace what to make
me to ka pa
what to make
me to ka
okay all right fantastic make us this is the first edition of fireman my friend said time but Songo State or Agu Kenzimu and Pepiawo Badwam that is Mondays from 6:30 Wednesdays 6:30 then also Fridays 6:30 more fire fantastic we Songo State or Badwam that is Agu Kenziano pay Memo Bibia Akwaba Edipa Adom TV. Measure your league matches are so far. Your ball Ghana I say. You understand? Yes, you are a free Mrofono and see you free Mrofono. How well and yet me your football year. Your super fantastic league. Your league matches are the likes of Kotoko, House of Folk, Mediama, other teams in Diana or Muna participate and I say or more able. And then I'm perceiving how professional you're running a year league because you so far 5 matches and a day at a year league a year but out you're super fantastic league Ghana not near minimum say league most of the time that competitiveness say I mean bobo na obia a year no fairness ewo league dem no eno say ye mpayi for no ye efilo activity woman no mo ye dey because when we share other countries they say Germany ni England mo yesua wo mo na abi we share league a wo mo ba utumu say very competitive say ban say near all winning league ni auto sumunu no auto sumia say top 4 bi no mo designer they make sure say that top 4 no teams no obia wo ade esi na niso a all fighting for a year season no you understand teams so a omo relegation omo team amomo modern omo the lower division no it should be based on merit team na nyaade a onyaade enye se bia ye hyehyɛ league se bia we ntoso mienu we enre we inco division one and I say lower division na obi free that division na by way of say bia football ayeye wo Ghana no ye de akwa eti say ye ho ene ye football no ye ma enkofo enweni based on merit and as ye ma enkofo ni kunim based on merit to me ma woman based on merit but rather akwa eti ye pushi wo no okom no fo no a league matches o mo bo a near all winning no kura no on fun easy because if you are no be after that time no the pandemic this year obe make it also very competitive no to me I asheno and that is that spirit now also you pay for no if you league them you officiating senior because I got 5 matches no person Ghana league a person Ghana league near our person on so a force so overcome on no on so person of force say on your day on but share senior it's corner acquired to say teams no where your madam for minimum way paying for women in charge women are organizing league it won't person women a tournament women are edgy women a free no and yadia the best because you could see idea one more for the war or see to me it's your idea you're quite England is here Arsenal any city send woman see a payment to us is city ababidi Arsenal in kind with just 1 point or game in hand. Omo struggle so mo be championship back and now be come so premiership na England. Imweding will be any abia very competitive. And then yes be we could share we all see team win am nenu league in ma team shano and am team go into my go no near already no crowd o share city no be city or be no o share Arsenal no be Arsenal. Remember Southampton now we are no cool Arsenal today 1 over England but Arsenal for so and we are today on your point from a year Arsenal but no could be any say done deal at the man Arsenal and any part football a quite done deal I can say competitiveness no more I will be able to say yes my hidden and I met my day I think the point for the structure send your system no it's here put things together that competitiveness. It say football people, so-called football people. Football no musia na mo ye moko other countries no na mo hwe se no musi ye no German system, English system, se no musi ye no krebi omudi no ene no say ye FNU so-called football people. Omutini emu attention ko no mu develop your football because we league matches here boy I got 5 matches also determine you with me win. It looks like 2 giants na ankasa kwana if is on beat me no I had in their home Kotoko House of Hook but the likes of Mediama the likes of Adriana I mean omo our picture ni mo fight very hard so beat me ade agile and nyanwa bechem so born homody ba and with this league now you make sure competitiveness no and yes will meet me in league media me home ama we aseme and now we abo the aseme me jam home the points na ma we no and no say so called football people feel many no more football that fairness no the spirit of the game no or say you that strong or say you fair no yet me who say you not correct champion you teams who may correct next season no league no ama league na fantastic woman team no ya relegate to fairness ye dey ko iti say organize league na say sua free England and I say Germany you have to make sure say obey the right thing no ye no sua and I say no ye right ma German league ni koso English Premiership no cost so amount for we are still no you learn the same you the same now also the papa no why you need am also the no I fantastic and it is Ghana the na akwa to say ye babe and the 5 more matches to do now I mean who the spiritness of competitiveness say who the spirit say amount for any see a ball even my rekrana Michiana or person or the league my yidem one channel was who marinti that's who match with the obeti yes we were game yes we were game with your mobos it doesn't help it would so-called football people, every no, make sure so many will league in to make sure say league no, a bit me sorry no. Sani winning age woman kasa professionalism. Sani umbisuya adie no masuya ni no implement ade no implementing ye na ye jai that spirit of fairness na anyone or see jai or see a mother spirit of fairness no say competitiveness no it me ba because over ye league ye boy Africa ye teams no kwa Africa competitions and as a championship omo ho chiro omo ntimi money ye CAF Champions League and the Confederations Cup ye Ghana teams ni na obi ntimi money for so many years now Kotoko has mudie ayedin kura other teams no so omuba fight akokra na edin medium money eduana mo any they have the chance in between league you know it is hard competitiveness no and I may hope you say bibia bit me either akon kan I believe say me any colleague no one you world champions omo se fata so mbo next season no and omo se fata no ombetimi afremu officiating also mo Arsenal City obi any abrinki better so Arsenal na all the league inti also referee no but it was fair it was I didn't feel no for no was in a fairness way na bibia timi akonkanti I hope say nyame adoma ebeto Songo Stake the piano pebia that is 6:30 Mondays nyame adoma Wednesday 6:30 Friday 6:30 Songo Stake ewo agukense mu Badwam politics Adom TV so Songo Stake no and as a Songo Stake no monsa ebeka na bibia timi either akonkanti make us enjoy your holiday and fabulous morning and come over bibia Professor UK Wallace.
Songo Stake and I say Patrick Osage, my countryman Songo, say order the first edition 18 Banyamia Doma, Ukwada Basanti and Kana Fifia Danso, Yasa Amao, ASN and Yama ACA Co, or A Agudi Muntiwe so, and Amijina Namidi and Nansa, who can see on Senpai Sakan and Opensu Ejao. Chanusmam said 1xbet at China Fiji fast Miss Chansubo Chidom, and I said more gel and Rodon, your ultimate pain relieving gel, or Madama, woman attached to woman and Opensu, there who can see on Senpai Sakano, it's me a bro. Within the Enoch. Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch back upe ana mjine mu na mede agokensi nkomo no etimi ebro yeso yesu die na ese me hu se boatema e wala ne so ntie bia na ese nkoma wodo aka wachi no ana yede ebro the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.